687. Given f of x equals 2x squared minus 4 and g of x equals 5x plus 3, find the value of each expression below. So we're just evaluating functions, and looks like maybe a little bit of composition of functions in this problem. So letter A. We want to know, what is the value of f of a going to be? We know that f of x equals 2x squared minus 4. All we're going to do here is replace our x with our a. So we end up with 2 times a squared minus 4. That's all we can do with this one. There it is. Let's go on to letter B. We've got f of 3a. So we've got our function f. Our input is now going to be 3a, which means when we take it and we plug it in, we're going to be doing 2 times, instead of just a, now that we have a product, we need to think about putting that in parentheses. We have 3a, because we want both parts to be squared. And then we have minus our 4. Now, if we want to simplify this, we could say 3a squared is like saying 3a times 3a, which is 9a squared. So we've got 2 times 9a squared minus 4. And 2 times 9 gives us 18. So we're going to say 18a squared minus 4. That is our answer for B. F of 3a equals 18a squared minus 4. Letter C. We are going to look at the function f when we input a plus b. That should equal, well, we're going to say 2 times the quantity of a plus b squared minus 4. Now, if we're going to simplify it out, we're going to need to multiply the quantity of a plus b times the quantity of a plus b. So if you're thinking about that there, that's like saying, just for anybody who needs it, thinking about this part, that this is a little off center, but whatever. We have a plus b, a plus b. So a times a is a squared, a times b is ab, a times b is ab, and then b times b is b squared. So our next step here, we should have, I'm going to move it over just a touch, 2 times the quantity of a squared plus 2ab plus a b squared minus 4. Oops, let me close that parenthesis. And as we look to simplify it here, we're going to need to distribute our 2 all the way through. So we'll have 2a squared, 2 times 2 is 4, so plus 4ab, and 2 times b squared would be plus 2b squared minus 4. That should be the answer when we take a plus b and plug it in. All right, moving on now to letter D. We have the function x plus 7. I'll do this one in green over here. This is letter D. The function f of x plus 7. So as we take it and plug it in, we're going to put this in for our x here. So we're going to say 2 times the quantity of x plus 7 squared minus 4. So we still have our 2. Got to follow order of operations. Got to square the binomial before you distribute the 2 through. Again, if you need to use the generic rectangle to multiply the quantity of x plus 7 times the quantity of x plus 7, please do it. It's not x squared plus 49. It's x squared plus 14x plus 49. And then we're still subtracting 4 at the end. Distribute your 2 through. You've got 2x squared. 2 times 14 would be 28x. 2 times 49 is going to be 98. And then we're going to subtract 4, giving us our final answer. Our function of x plus 7 will equal 2x squared plus 28x plus 94. Okay, good look at it there. Now we're going to do E. E, we've got, I'll just go back to red on this one, a function of 5x plus 3 equals 2 times the quantity of 5x plus 3 squared minus 4. And like the previous two, we're going to do it the exact same way. Follow order of operations by getting rid of this exponent first by multiplying the binomials together. So we should have 2. And when you do these, you should end up with, I'm going to do it in my head, but if you need to take time, go ahead and pause the video and do it. So we have x squared plus 30x plus 9, and then we're subtracting 4. Distribute our 2 through. We've got 50x squared plus 60x plus 18 minus 4, which in the end gives us 50x squared plus 60x. When we combine that 18 and minus 4, we get plus 14. That is our function of 5x plus 3. I feel like I've been going forever here. Only one more. We have g of f of x. We have g of f of x. I'm going to scroll down a little bit. I'll scroll down a little bit more actually in just a moment. We'll do this one. Decisions. Let's do it right here. F. We're going to be doing g of f of x, which means we have to look at what f of x equals, and we know right now that f of x equals, this is what's given at the top, we have 2x squared minus 4. So we're going to take this 2x squared minus 4 and we're going to substitute it in for f of x. So this leaves us with a function g of 2x squared minus 4. Now if you've forgotten what g is, because we haven't used it at all here, g of x was equal to 5x plus 3. So we're going to take all of this, 2x squared minus 4, and we're going to substitute it in for our value of x there, our input in the function. So here we go. 5 times 2x squared minus 4, and then plus 3. 5 times 2x squared, 10x squared minus 20 plus 3, and hallelujah, we are finished. 10x squared minus 17. And that is what g of f of x ends up equaling. Guess I forgot to underline this one up here to show that that is the answer. If you have questions about this, please make sure you ask your teacher. Otherwise, I hope that it helped you out there. This is problem 6-87. Thanks for watching.